Okay, let's play Plush by Stone Temple Pilots. I'm tuned down a whole step to D. And I feel time's a wasted gold. So where you going to tomorrow? And I see that these are lies that come. Or would you even care? I feel it. Where you going for tomorrow? Where you going with that mask I found? I feel when the dogs begin to smell her. Well, she smell alone. And I feel so much depends on the weather. So is it raining in your bedroom? And I see that these are the eyes of disarray. Or would you even care? Now I feel it. Where you going for tomorrow? Where you going with the mask I found? I feel when the dogs begin to smell her. Well, she smell alone. Got time to wait for tomorrow to find it. When the dogs do find her, got time to wait for tomorrow to find it. Where you going for tomorrow? Where you going with the mask I found? I feel when the dogs begin to smell her. Well, she smell alone. Well, the dogs do find her. Got time to wait for tomorrow to find it. When the dogs do find her, got time to wait for tomorrow to find it. Okay, the outro a little messed up there. You can kind of ad-lib that playing those intro chords. So what are those intro chords? So basically, you're kind of playing a G, okay, but you're fretting the E and the B string on the third. Then you're playing this little backwards E flat 7. So if you think of a D7 here, you just slide it up one, okay. And then a D7 sus4 is kind of like a D7, but you're putting your pinky on the third string on the E. And then a regular G. Okay, I don't do that. Don't put that. You don't need that note. Play that B note. So it's. And then the little run up. Okay, you got that. And then the verse is G. And I feel D with an F sharp. Okay, because you're kind of walking that G, F sharp to an F chord down, you know. And I feel time's a wasted C. And then an E flat major 7th. Okay, so when you think of a C7 or a D7, well, shouldn't say a D7 because you normally don't play a D7 like a D major 7th. You play like this. A C major 7th. Okay, so an E flat major 7th, you're barring the 3rd fret, the first 3 strings, and then you're fretting the D on the 5th and the A on the 6th. Okay, and that's a really cool E flat major 7th. So it's, and I feel time's a ways to go. E flat major 7th. So where you going to tomorrow? You started again with the G, but you're throwing in an F, that a passing F before you go to the G to start the loop over. So again, it's, and I feel time's a ways to go. Where you going to tomorrow? And back to that same loop. These are lies to come. Would you even care? But you don't go to a G here. You play the pre-chorus, which is that. You do that multiple times, say, and I feel it twice. And then the chorus is going to be the E flat major 7th and the F. Where you going for tomorrow? Just do this 4 times. Where you going with the mask I found? Again. I feel when the dogs began to smell her. Well, she smelled alone. Back to the intro. Whoa, whoa. Then you start with another verse and another pre-chorus and another chorus. So you just repeat that whole loop again, okay? But after that chorus, you're going to go to a bridge, all right? So and the chorus again is going to be the E flat major 7th to the F, and the last line of that will be when the dog began to smell her. Well, she smelled alone. Oh, oh. And this is going to be a when, that's a G to an F. To find her, C. Got time. Okay, so that's G, F, C, then it's an E flat, D, G. Okay, and that E flat, and even the D, I'm playing it like a C chord. Okay, so I'm just, it's kind of like you're playing that C major 7th, but you're putting your middle finger on the B string 4th fret, and that's the E flat, to a D, okay, just 1 fret down, to the G. So it's G. Got time to wait for tomorrow, to find it, to find it. Okay, and just loop that a couple times. Let's see. And you kind of just repeat that, you know, this bridge part, we'll call it, is, you know, when the dogs do find her, got time to wait for tomorrow, to find it, to find it, to find it. Then you repeat, you repeat that whole thing again. And need a pick. Here's a hard pick. Okay, and then coming out of that bridge, you're going to go to the intro. So the last thing, you know, to find it, to find it. Wait, how's it go? Well, it goes, well, the dogs to find her, got time to wait for tomorrow, to find it, to find it, to find it. Play that loop 4 times, that intro loop, and then you're getting back into the chorus, the E flat major 7th to an F. You know, it's where you go for tomorrow, where you go with the mask I found, feel when the dogs begin to smell her. Well, she's smelling low. Then you repeat that, you do the bridge again. Well, the dogs will find her, got time to wait for tomorrow. Again, that E flat to the D is pretty critical there. Adds some dynamic to it. But you just repeat, you do that bridge, which is really just a repetition of the pretty much the same line with that loop, and then the outro is just the intro, you know. Find it. Figure out how to play the ending, but it's all the parts. Put them together. Good luck.